Welcome to the Good Karma Sport Fishing Podcast. I'm your host, Captain Ryan Van Fleet. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So it has been breezy, and what have we been doing on the breezy days? We have been fishing the Patch Reefs, and I have to tell you what, I've never been so excited to go Patch Reef fishing in all the years that I fished. And some of the things that I'm doing this year are 100% different. New tactics, new techniques. It's just been awesome. I have to tell you what, and I'm so happy that I made some changes to my program when it comes to Patch Reef fishing, as far as finding new spots, changing things up, different baits, drifting, trolling. No, we're not using white bucktails, and if we are using some sort of artificial, it has a certain scent to it. So I just want to say, anytime you guys are seeing a lot of these artificials are scented that are working. So just know that when you're out there. So whether that defeats the purpose of using an artificial or a dead bait, I don't know. I'll let you guys debate that. My philosophy is whatever puts the fish in a boat, I could give a rat's ass. I could care whether that guy's using a dead bait, a live bait, an artificial bait. Whatever he's catching fish with, who cares? Just let the guy do his thing. And it's just so funny to see guys going back and forth about artificials versus dead bait and stuff. It's just another thing to debate about on the internet. But I don't really have time for that shit. So I don't sit there and go back and forth on the internet about live bait versus dead bait, artificials. I was like, oh man. If you got time to sit and write comments like that, you got too much fucking time on your hands. Okay. So I was sitting out there Patch Reef fishing, and we were trying all this new stuff, catching these beautiful mutton snappers, mangrove snappers, and it came to me. I was like, okay, this is something new that I can bring to you guys that listen, and it's an efficient way for me to add something back that's helpful to recreational anglers, new captains, YouTube fishermen, freelance mates, backcountry guides that are in the backcountry, but on them nice days, or when it gets really muddy back there and you want to stay close to home and you want to up your game, this is going to be open for you guys as well. So it's just it's one of those things where you can never get enough knowledge. Okay, you can never get enough knowledge, and you never know where you're going to find the knowledge. And what's different about this is that there's going to be some question and answer with it. And not just for me. And as you guys know, that when you're in a group of people and some guy asks a question and it lights up in your brain, well, wow, I didn't really think of it like that. Or this guy may be doing something different, and then you hear about it and just so there's just lots that is going to be involved with this. So I'm going to explain it here a little bit just in a couple minutes here. So I'm super excited to announce the Nearshore/Reef 8-week intensive. Okay, so what this is an 8-week course. It'll kick off on Thursday, February 1st, and it will consist of 4 lessons and 4 Q&As. Okay, now this is intended for use for, like I said, captains, mates, recreational anglers, YouTube and fishing influencers, guys that are looking to start channels, that want to put good quality fish in a box to, get that Instagram going, to get that YouTube following going. Get paid, baby, get paid. So the purpose is to enhance your catch rates, streamline time and budget, prevent frustration, and provide a nice meal to showcase on social media. A nice hook and cook, baby. I have to go to Dairy Queen to get mine. So now this intensive course will cover techniques and strategies. Now I have to be a little vague about this. So guys, because of the copycat syndrome that's out there, I know that I have a lot of guys that have channels that copy a lot of the stuff that I do on here, and then then it shows up on their channel. So I'm going to be a little bit vague with this. Bait, secret baits, finding spots, my secrets to finding productive spots that are not on CMORE Maps. Not on CMORE Map. Very important, okay? So think about that in your head a little bit. If it's on CMORE and it's highly visible, it's overfished. Gear, and then what I'm looking for with moon, tides, weather, water clarity, where to be, where not to be on certain winds, and a whole lot more, such as trolling, some drift fishing, artificials, special scents, and like I said, a lot more. Okay, so you got 8 weeks, and we alternate. 1 week is the lesson, the next week is the Q&A, and there's a Facebook group where you submit your questions, and then I answer them in the next week. So, but the details are at goodkarmafishingtackle.com. Just go to the front page of goodkarmafishingtackle.com, and there is the description of everything that you need to know. And I will also put the information in the show notes. The early bird special on this course is $50 per month, 4 weeks. This year is a leap year, so it's a bit janky. Price goes up to $100 per month after 4 weeks on January 23rd. Super excited. I'm like super excited. Like I said, I was looking for something that I could give back, and I wanted to give you guys some new stuff, some unique stuff that you cannot find on YouTube. And I am open to sharing what I'm doing on my fishing charters with you guys as far as what I'm doing on the patch reefs. So now this is going to be next level stuff, game changing, because it's going to be like 8 weeks long, man. And you're going to be able to stay in the game when it's windy and spend like less times digging through other shit. Like, quit scrolling as much. Like, start putting yourself into a spot where you can, when you do go fishing, you can be productive and stay in the game. And staying in the game is important, and keeping your mind busy is extremely important nowadays. Don't become part of the machine and the scroll machine. YouTube is a great place, but I see people are addicted to it. So you guys, let's start taking it back. Take your power back, okay? Take your power back and start applying yourself this year. That's what I want you guys to do. I see a lot of guys now that have been in my groups, and they're game changing. They're game changers, man. They're doing amazing. So I couldn't be more happier. But now, like, things are changing with the fishing, and I want to give more. And I'm super excited that I can offer this to you guys. And you're not going to get it. I mean, you're going to get a seminar one somewhere or another, or get like a little hour somewhere or another, but this is cool. I'm super stoked. So get in on the early bird pricing. It's well worth it. You won't be disappointed. Thank you guys for tuning in. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram at goodkarmasportfishing_FL_keys. And if you're looking to go fishing with me this winter or in the spring, give me a call at 305-619-2126. Actually, just send me a text is better. So text, or you can email me at goodkarmaryan@gmail.com. If you'd like to get involved in my private fishing club, you can email me at goodkarmaryan@gmail.com as well. The cost for the club is $279 a month, and it's next level learning. This is open only to recreational fishermen, just because of the nature of the content that I share. And there is a screening process. Okay, there is a screening process. So, like I said, you can email me as well if you're interested in joining the club. Guys, that's it. Get out there, go fishing on the nice days, enjoy it, have fun, spend time with your friends and family, and remember, anytime you're fishing, it's all good.